Hey guys, Northwoods Arsenal here, and today I have two vintage shotguns out here today with me, and I'm going to test out whether or not these 1 3/4 mini shells will function properly in any of them, or if they can be made to function properly with a little bit of finagling. So I have the Winchester 1897, also known as a trench gun. This is chambered for where does it say here? I think it's probably 2 3/4 shells, most likely. But there's the one. That one's a pump, and then here I have a bolt shotgun. This is a Stevens Model 124, and this one is chambered for the 2 3/4 inch shells. So we'll get right into it here and see how they run. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, let's see how much that fits in the Stevens Model 124 first. It originally holds 2 in the mag tube, 1 in the receiver. Oh. Looks like we only got 4 in there, I think. All right. Oh, they don't want to feed in all the way, it looks like. Not every time, at least. Ah, come on. You know, that actually wasn't bad. I'd consider that a qualified success. Moving on to the 18. Alright, so this one usually holds, I think, 6, I believe, in the magazine tube. So we might be able to get them all in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Well, let's see if they go. This is going to be a disaster. I can already tell. I knew I shouldn't have tried to slam fire it. This is it. This is where it all goes to hell. Nope, it can be saved. Take that out. No, I did it again. It'll work. Goes for 3 more. We'll really try to slam fire these. Alright. No! Foiled by a bit of plastic. Get in there, you. Oh, did one. There you go. Alright, well, I'd consider the mini shells in the Winchester 1897 I probably wouldn't do that. It's kind of a lot of jam ups, a lot of inconveniences, but I'm surprised they actually ran as well as they did.